All right, welcome back. It's D back on another review for you guys. I got a 2025 Honda Civic Hatch Sport in a nice platinum white color. Check it out. Check this bad boy out. Got a hatchback. This has the 2-liter. I think it will leave 150 horses. Not much. But I don't know when the last time I did a hatch. You guys quick walk around. And some of you guys love this platinum white, man. Maybe it's just so I wouldn't say generic, but yes it is. Starting up front, like I said, I wish they make this plastic piece like body color like they do with I believe the hybrids. But you got the full LED headlight, DRL and turn signal up top. I would say bring back fog lights. You got to put RP fog lights. Hashtag RP fog lights. A lot of cars are going away with them. It's a massive grille. Check out that platinum and that metallic in the paint. Pretty good. Got the nice 235 40R 18-inch rim. Some Goodyear Eagles. Gloss black color. I wish it was like matte. I got an older SI did. You got the gloss black mirror cap. No sunroof. You don't get any chrome. All that is all flat black. See your hatch. And bring back, exhaust tips. Everything just went away nowadays. It's just light bar. Well, it's not really a light bar, but once the middle third brake light is right there, so once it's engaged, I'll turn it on. I just need the brakes. It makes a complete light bar. Check out your space with your hatch. I noticed a while back, like the hatch in the sedan is really pretty much the same size, honestly. Fold the seats down and everything, do the same thing pretty much. That's just my opinion though. Hatch does look good though. You get your spare tire. This is a 16 and your jack. I'm glad they're still offering that. So most cars. Check out the interior. There's not much going on there. It's just all a little bit of pleather with the cloth. Don't even get the armrests or charging ports or climate vents. Get some little tweeters though. Sound system isn't the best, just generic. Blind spot. So over that cloth. No power seats. Everything's manual on the passenger side. Check out the key fob. Got your remote start. Armrest. Nice little coin tray. Gloss black right here. Matching the wheels. Let's go on the driver's side and check out the window sticker. So I can get the. You gotta get the idea. It's like a light bar. The window sticker, you got some pauses if you like. It's pretty I wouldn't say base, but pretty basic options. 29,000. I still can't believe they charge for the paint nowadays. Your MPG, it's not bad. 34 combined. It is a Civic. So everything's pure base. No power seats. And this bad boy. More of that gloss black right there. Nice leather steering wheel though. Do like gray stitching. Gloss black. Kind of crazy though. Right now this is gloss black, but if I get in another car, it's all like have gloss black and that flat. I don't know, but Looks pretty good. Have digital dash. You got your paddle shifters for your CVT. Start over here. So over here you got your track select, volume, source, your home. This dial right here controls portion of the screen. Voice controls. Got all your adaptive cruise control and your Honda sensing and whatnot. Set your following distance. All that right here is all that engaged. Steer itself. You got to tap the steering wheel every now and then though. Let the car know. But start from the top. So you got your range and your fuel, speed and driver attention, seatbelt maintenance. That's all that Honda sensing is right here. So let's see what we got. Got your road departure, blind spot, forward collision. Pretty much standard in these cars nowadays. They just have it no content. Just leave it like that. See your tacking speedometer. Looks pretty good. Show you guys the backup camera. Relatively small screen. It's not really much going on with it on these lower trims, but it is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so and you got your rear cross-path protection. So right now it's just a radio, phone, media does have icons for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right there. So not really much I'm gonna talk about like that, but it's a radio. Got your gloss black and your silver. Climate controls, 2 USB-C ports, and a 12-volt. Should have just doing a wireless charging pad right there, but got this fingerprint resistant material. Do get drive modes. I've been a sport, so you do get sport, normal, and econ. Idle, stop, start, parking brake, your brake hold. Everything's pretty much basic in this thing. Let's check out the big motor. You guys another shot of this interior real quick. What you guys think about that pattern on the seats? They only do it in the front, so they shouldn't do it at all. As you can see, it's not in the back. Check out the big engine. I said 150 horses, so it's not fast, but it is quick. That's a final walk around. What's that? I just wish maybe they changed those to like matte black. Kind of sick of the gloss. Scratches too much, man. When I'm using the car wash, the wheels look nasty. Especially when you clean them up. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this bad boy. Let's catch you guys in the next one. Peace.